So now what we are going to do is we are going to default that username and a password. So how we can do that is go to your application.properties. Okay, you specify spring dot security dot user dot name equal to some default name. Then for password, spring.security.user.password equal to password. Okay. If you look at this current log, okay, so that we are Spring Security is generating a password for us by default. Okay. So when you configure this default user ID and password, so Spring Security will not use its default login page. Okay, so just a second. So run the application. Refresh this login. Now before that, I just want to show you one thing. So if you look at this log, okay, when you configure that user ID and password, Spring Security will not generate any default password. Okay, so now we are going to use this GKCodes as a user ID and password as the password. So GKCodes, password as password, login, yes. So now also we got that response as home.